Monitoring those conditions includes having a team of photojournalists and reporters who are fanned out all over Central Florida, keeping an eye on this storm as it moves closer to Central Florida.
We want to keep things in Brevard County right now, where that eye wall is moving through. WESH 2's Scott Heidler has been monitoring conditions there. And Scott, are you seeing the eye wall anywhere near you right now?
It feels as though it is here because, or at least very close. You know, we're just about 45 miles north of where Nicole made landfall, just south of Vero Beach. And the last time we spoke with you, the wind was whipping really hard. We've been seeing all around the area gusts up to 70 miles an hour. But just before we came on air, I'd say 10 minutes before we came on air, things calmed a little bit. And you can see it's a little bit calmer now. I'm not even having to head into the wind. We did get a little bit more rain. So I think that would indicate that, yes, there is, we are either in the eye or on the cusp of the eye, if you will. So a little bit of a change. And as we were just hearing from Eric, it's the backside of the eye that we really need to be cautious about and careful about. And that's particularly for those who might be tempted to go outside and take a look around. Don't do it, because it's not over. There's a lot more coming. So really, you need to stay inside and be safe. And also the big concern right now too, power outages. We're seeing those numbers click up slowly. That will most likely increase, once we see the other side come through, and then we're going to see those strong winds come back again. So there could already be down power lines, and there could be more coming. So be very, very careful with that, and also keep an eye out for it. So yeah, we're seeing the winds pick up around the area, both here on the inland side. We've got the Indian River Lagoon, and we know that the water is coming up there. It's swollen, and then on the beyond that, on the barrier island, that was what was going through a recommended evacuation over the last couple of days. Yesterday, they started that evacuation. That is where the big concern is, because yes, you've got these winds, you've got storm surge, and then you have the rainfall. So that's really where the concern is now, on those outer lying areas, those coastal areas, and that beach erosion too. So that's something that we're going to really keep a close eye on, particularly once the sun comes up and people can evaluate, teams can evaluate really what kind of that damage has been over the last several hours. And again, we're not through it. It's still going to be coming through the other side of that eye, at least here where we are now. Reporting live in Melbourne, Scott Heidler, WESH 2 News.
Scott, before we let you go, a quick question for you. We were just chatting with our meteorologist here, and it does seem like you may be in the eye right now. So we know that the backside of the storm will be approaching you very soon, but the worst of you seems to be north at this point. So I'm wondering, what are your takeaways from what you've experienced so far? How bad did conditions get for you?
For us here, quite honestly, it was the wind. Where I'm standing right now, 45 minutes ago, I couldn't be without either heading into the direction where the wind was coming from. So it was very, very strong. My concern is, we've canvassed the area. We're based here in Brevard. We know this county very, very well. My concern is, we're in a sheltered position. We're a little bit in from the coast. We're behind a very, very large building that's blocking some of the wind. My concern is out on the barrier islands, when you're right on the water, where the system was coming in from, at least at that side, you're exposed. So you really don't have anything blocking the wind whatsoever. So that is the big concern for me right now, when you look at what potential impact, potential damage there could be. We probably won't be seeing as much beach erosion as we've been seeing up in Volusia County. But for here, my main concern is that wind damage that could be there. And then, as you mentioned, we're in the eye right now. This is what the eye looks like. The backside of that's coming, so this isn't over. So that's obviously another big concern. And also, we're probably going to be getting much more rain. The rain hasn't been that much as we expected over the last couple of hours, but again, that will probably change. But again, it's the winds that really were whipping earlier, and we'll probably see more of that. I mean, when you look at a list of gusts, areas that have seen gusts of 70 miles an hour plus, it's all over the place from where we are. If you could draw a circumference of maybe about 15, 20 miles, almost every major location had hit about 70 miles plus.